A 4x4 motorhome with a factory-built ladder-frame chassis, a low-range gearbox, differential locks, and it still slides in under the 3.5-ton limit. That is the Changan Fengjing Blue Whale Explorer, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly what you get for the money, because this one is priced between $40,000 and $50,000 US, depending on configuration, according to the manufacturer's export listing. Under the hood is a 2-liter Blue Whale turbocharged gasoline engine, producing 233 horsepower and 390 newton-meters of torque, paired with an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission. That is more power than most diesel rivals in this class, and Changan says it runs on around 10 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers, which is a genuinely low number for a rig built to go off-road. Let's start at the back, in the bathroom. It is compact, but nothing in here feels wasted. A roof hatch with an integrated fan and LED lighting keeps the space bright and ventilated after every shower, and a side window with both a mosquito screen and a blackout blind lets air in while keeping insects and sunlight out. Inside, you get a cassette toilet, which makes emptying and maintenance easy on long trips, and a molded plastic shower tray with 2 drain outlets so water clears quickly. There is a shelf for toiletries, a large mirror to open the room up, and instead of a separate shower head, the sink faucet extends and doubles as the shower. It is a simple, practical layout, and for a motorhome this size, it works. Moving into the main living area, the cabin feels bright and surprisingly spacious for its footprint. Above the rear bed are 3 deep overhead cabinets with secure locking mechanisms, big enough for clothes, bedding, and gear, plus an individual reading light and a nearby power outlet. Under that same bed is a built-in washing machine, which is not something you see often at this price point. 2 large side windows bring in natural daylight, and warm LED ambient lighting runs through the interior after dark. Up front over the cab, the alcove bed measures approximately 2,000 by 1,300 millimeters, which is a genuinely spacious sleeping area for 2 adults. A large panoramic roof window and 2 narrow side windows all come with mosquito screens and blackout blinds, so you get airflow and privacy together, along with individual reading lights. Above the entrance sits the main control panel for managing the motorhome's onboard systems, and the dashboard carries 2 large LCD displays, along with a 360-degree camera system, which makes parking a lot less stressful in a vehicle this size. The kitchen is built for real use. Large overhead cabinets handle dishes and food storage. A range hood with integrated LED lighting sits above the counter, and the stainless steel sink has a glass lid that folds down to expand your workspace. A separate faucet supplies filtered drinking water. Next to it, a tall cabinet houses a built-in microwave up top and a 148-liter compressor refrigerator below, split into 2 sections with a dedicated freezer, which is more than enough for extended off-grid trips. 2 pull-out drawers and an additional storage compartment underneath handle pots, pans, and everything else. The driver's cab is fully open to the living area. No partition, no wasted space. You get the same modern dashboard with dual LCD screens, a multi-function steering wheel, and a floating center console with cup holders and extra storage. Before you step outside, note the full-height mosquito screen on the entrance door, a gas detector mounted above it for safety, and power outlets and the electric step switch right by the doorway. Outside, there's a dedicated outdoor kitchen with its own gas burner, so cooking smells and heat stay out of the living space, plus a separate compartment with an outdoor shower and 220-volt outlets for a kettle, coffee machine, or anything else you want running at camp. Now, the part that actually explains the price. This is built on Changan's own factory-developed ladder-frame chassis, not a conversion bolted onto a stock van, which is a real differentiator in this class. The intelligent 4-wheel drive system gives you selectable drive modes, plus a low-range transfer case and differential locks for mud, gravel, snow, or steep trails. And despite all of that hardware, it stays under the 3.5-ton gross weight limit, meaning a standard passenger license covers it in a lot of countries. The body uses insulated sandwich panels with an aluminum frame for thermal efficiency in both hot and cold climates. On the electrical side, you get a combined 12-volt and 48-volt system, a lithium battery bank rated at roughly 10 kilowatt-hours, a 5,000-watt inverter for running household appliances off-grid, and factory-installed solar panels to keep everything topped up. Freshwater capacity sits at around 160 liters standard, with larger optional tanks available for longer stretches away from campsites. So, who is this for? If you want serious 4x4 capability, a built-in washing machine, a proper compressor fridge, and close to 10 kilowatt-hours of lithium storage, all while staying under a license threshold most people already hold. This is one of the most complete packages in its class right now. At $40,000 to $50,000 US dollars, depending on spec, it is not cheap, but stack that price against the chassis, the drivetrain, and the off-grid electrical system, and it starts to look like real value rather than a markup for the badge. Let me know in the comments, would you actually take this off-road, or is it more of a comfortable base camp on wheels for you? And if you want the full walkthrough of how this compares to other 4x4 motorhomes in its price range, that is coming next, so stick around.